is one of those ladies. She's one of those ladies who is always there for the community. Thank you very much, Akka, for giving your time. This event is associated by Genie Insight, Redefine Hair Transplant and Plastic Surgery Center, UMG Naveen Gold and Bros, Alliance Group, Amor Hospitals, Stravani Hospitals, SMS Real Property Management. We all know that before we get started, we are here to make an impact on taking the healthcare on the next level. And we begin anything auspicious by lighting a lamp and remembering the Lord to take the blessings of God. To do the Jyoti Prajwalan, I request our chief guest Sitaka Garu to please join us on stage, followed by the other dignitaries as I call your names. I request Srimati Lakshmi Rao Garu, Chairman of Raj News, and Shri Sampath Rao Garu to please grace the stage with your presence. Shri Ravi Verma Garu from Whispering Woods Villas to join us on stage. Dr. B. Kishore Reddy from Amor Hospitals to join us, along with the gracious presence of none other than our very own Srimati D. Anasuya Sitaka Garu. Please join us. Ladies and gentlemen, can we put a round of applause to welcome all the dignitaries on dais. Namaskar, Akka. Please. Requesting all the dignitaries to please join us to light the lamp. It is said that when you light the lamp, it takes you towards more positivity and blessings of Lord Saraswati. So let's all join hands together and pray for the growth of each and every one of us. Dancers are ready. Dancers are ready. I request the dignitaries to please stay on the stage for one moment to be captured in a picture. Akka, one photo please. Dignitaries, can you please quickly stand for one picture? Let's frame this moment together. Thank you to the dignitaries for joining us. I request you to please take your seats. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have now got the blessings of Lord Saraswati and we have all the positivity in the rooms. But before we get started, how can we not talk about what has happened or what is happening in the country? That is absolutely not negligible. And that is why I will take this moment to pause, to stay calm and to honor the memory of the brave souls that we have lost in the recent times. That sudden attack, that sudden cries actually heartbreaks us. But then we know that somebody is there at the back end to lead it at Operation Sindoor. And after which we got to know that the justice is done. But then we are at the very warfare with our neighboring country. But there are some people at the force, the army, the Air Force, who are there fighting 24/7 for whom? For us. So can't we just take one moment to stand in honor of those gentlemen, ladies, who are doing so much for us, their life at stake only for the country. So we now will take 1 minute of silence for the losses of lives and the people who are giving, safeguarding our lives. So let's close our eyes and pray for all good coming future, please.